Welcome to another episode of 555 Barbershop. What you see me doing here is a beard. So just watch this. I'm going to give you some free game for all you new barbers, young barbers, or anybody who's watching, anybody who's interested in what I'm doing right here. All right, so when I first started out in the game 30 years ago, one of the hardest things for me to get used to was doing a beard, shaving. I couldn't stand it. It felt weird just being that close to a stranger, somebody that I didn't know. Um, it just felt strange just using the blade and stretching the skin. And I kind of felt like I was going to hurt the guy. And it took me such a long time to just get accustomed to the whole thing. Plus, I was young and I didn't have a beard. So I couldn't even relate to my customer who was bearded. So, needless to say, I messed up a lot of people's beards, especially in the beginning when I just didn't understand the concept. Fast forward, I kept practicing. I kept reluctantly working on people's beards because they kept asking me to do it, and it took a long time, but eventually I started actually liking it. One of the biggest game changers for me was using this electric shaver or an electric shaver, any electric shaver. Before, I used to just use conditioner and water and just lather the face as much as I could, get my hands all dirty. I hated doing beards. I hated that process. I thought it was messy. And not only that, it used to take me a really long time just to do a beard. So the amount of time that I took to do a haircut, if somebody asked me for a beard, I had to add on the same amount of time for the beard. That's how long it used to take. But then I started using this electric shaver, and it just cut my beards down, at least the time, down in just a fraction of the time. This electric shaver, using the electric shaver just makes it so much easier. I don't have to get my hands dirty. I could just go in and cut everything down to a stubble. And then I can just apply some powder and go ahead and use the blade and etch my lines in. And the last big game changer for me was actually wearing these black gloves. Like I said earlier, I felt weird being that close to somebody that I didn't know very well, or being close to just anybody. It just felt weird. But as soon as I put these gloves on, suddenly I was very comfortable um, getting close to a customer's face and stretching the skin and working around the customer's mouth, underneath the customer's nose. And before you knew it, my work started to be more detailed, all because I just felt more comfortable with the blade in my hand. I had a better grip and a better handle on the razor, and the work just came out better, much better. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with another video just like this.